Welcome back. We go now to the business day. Gas prices will continue to climb tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $1.19 more. Automotive diesel is down $1.37, but ultra low sulfur diesel will cost 3 cents less. 57 cents will be added to the price of kerosene. Propane is costing $2.54 more, and butane is up $2.90. Oil prices edged higher today. Oil for delivery in May settled up 10 cents at $59.43 a barrel. Former Bank of Jamaica Governor Brian Winter says the second phase to Jamaica's pension reform is coming. He says this phase will make it easier and more affordable for most Jamaicans to have pension coverage. Now, Mr. Winter was speaking recently at the Caribbean Economic Forum.
Been pending for a while now. We've been calling it the adequacy phase of pension reform after a regulatory phase a few years ago that sought to bring greater better performance, better behavior by the fiduciaries involved in pensions some years ago to regulate those private pensions. So this next stage is coming. I don't recall if anything has been tabled as we speak, but I think legislation is coming that will start to look at making sure that the amount, that the pensions are easier to have.
Now, Mr. Winter says there are certain socioeconomic conditions which must be addressed in order to increase pension take-up.
About unwillingness, it's about whether one can, when people are very, very poor, it's very difficult to be able to save for anything, let alone a pension. So I think we have to grapple with those realities as well.
We go on to currency trading. The day ended with the US dollar selling for $147.71. The Canadian dollar sold for $117.46. The pound is going for $205.32, while the euro closed at $177.89. The JSE index lost 681 points today, while the junior market index gained a point. Among the winners were Access Financial Services, Cargo Handlers, Consolidated Bakeries, Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, and JMMB Group 7.25% preference shares. On the losing side were 138 Student Living variable preference shares, Salada Foods, Jetcon Corporation, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, and Lasco Manufacturing. And that's it for the business day. News from overseas when we return.